Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to look up a guide for air infiltration. Fortunately, air infiltration is one of the easiest forms of energy loss to correct. The process requires only a careful inspection of the home and some inexpensive weather stripping, caulking, and filler materials. Most people know they should caulk and weather strip around the exterior of the home to protect it from the elements. However, it is equally important to protect your home from interior air leaks. Moist interior air can enter the walls and ceiling through cracks and holes, and condensation buildup in those locations can damage or destroy insulation, wiring, wood, or other building materials. Look for air leaks. Before research and building science demonstrated the role air leaks play in energy loss, most people assumed that insulation was enough to stop heat flow through a building. Although insulation slows heat transfer, it is easily compromised by airflow, whether driven by outside wind conditions or convection currents within the building. The only way to stop this air movement, and the associated heat loss, is by eliminating the holes and pathways between the inside of the house and the outside. The first step to tightening up the home's envelope is performing a detailed inspection for air leaks, including a blower door and an infrared camera scan. A good rule of thumb is to start by plugging holes and leaks in the attic, then move to the exterior walls, and look for smaller leaks around doors, windows, and electrical switches and outlets. Finally, check out your basement. Attic air leaks, more common than you'd guess. Most existing homes have many unsealed penetrations into the attic for wires, chimneys, vents, etc. Sealing will prevent heat loss and damage to building materials. Hatches and doors to the attic. Weather strip the edges of the access hole, and insulate the back of the attic hatch or door. Don't forget doors to unheated knee wall areas, holes in the attic floor. Seal all openings around electrical wires, pipes, ducts, and vents with a good general purpose caulk, or spray foam. You may need to use a filler material for larger holes. Recessed lights and bathroom fans. These fixtures can poke into the attic insulation and create a pathway for air leaks. Caulk around them from below with flexible high-temperature caulk. Install an airtight box sealed over the top of them in the attic, not only to stop air leakage, but to reduce fire hazard from insulation lying against the fixture. When replacing light fixtures, use only airtight fixtures. Chase for plumbing vent stacks. This channel may run inside the walls of the home, from the basement to the attic, with openings at each floor where the lines branch off. If the chase isn't much larger than the vent where it enters the attic, seal with expanding foam. For larger chases, use drywall, wood or rigid foam, and caulk or foam around all edges. Fireplace chimney and furnace or water heater flues. Close the gap between house framing and the chimney and vent flues with metal. Seal with red fire stop caulk. Knee wall storage drawers. If storage drawers are recessed into the attic space, build an airtight, insulated box around the backside of the drawers. Don't forget to seal all joints with caulk or sheathing tape. Other holes. Using the appropriate materials, seal all other holes between the heated space in your house and the attic. Sealing fixtures require proper air sealing. Light fixtures below an unheated attic must be tightly sealed, to prevent air from leaking into the attic space. Attic air leaks not only waste energy, but are also the primary cause of ice dams. Methods of sealing include recessed fixtures. New or retrofit recessed fixtures, including new LED fixtures, should have airtight cans and gasket seals. Existing recessed lights can have special airtight boxes sealed over them from the attic side. Flush mount fixtures. Electrical boxes should be sealed with spray foam around any cracks or openings into the attic. Caution: disconnect power to circuit until foam cures. Seal pipes, vents, and ducts. Electrical wires and conduit often enter attics through the tops of walls. Fill the hole around them with spray foam or caulking. Caution: if your wiring consists of old knob and tube style wires, or wires that are worn or broken, they must be protected or replaced prior to insulating and sealing. Thanks for watching our videos. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce. Feel free to leave feedback below. What kind of videos would you like to see? Let us know in the comments.